going to do a quick demonstration of cutting and fitting Kraus EuroBac carpet tile. This is not the correct way, although a lot of installers do it this way. They put the tile here and then they cut along here. It may take 2 or 3 different cuts and trimming, but if you can do that, that's fine. But the problem here is that with this type of backing, it can leave a residue on the finished wall. Okay, what we recommend is that you pattern scribe your tile by putting your tile that you're fitting over top, and you put this tile here, and then you follow there, make my cut, and this fits right in here. Okay, if you cut from the back side, it's very tough to cut because your knife blade fills up with the black residue, and it restricts your blade from cutting. It's very easy to cut this stuff from the top. I'll do a serpentine cut here. All you have to do is get a start now and cut it like that. You don't have to cut all the way through. So on this tile here, I'll finish this tile. This tile goes over top of this one. I take my measuring tile, I put it up against here. I put it there. I get a start here, and all you have to do is, and I've got my tile fit. Simple as that.